Hi, in this video I will show you how to clear cache on Windows 11. So in order to do that, head over first to your actual taskbar on your Windows 11, and then once you have opened it, search in here for the cache. Once you have searched in here for the cache, you should be able to see in here some options. So we have in here the storage settings as well as temporary files and cleanup recommendation. So for this one, let's head over here to this delete temporary files. And then once you have done that, it should be able to open the settings part of your actual computer. So head over and then open this one. So now we have this. Head over here to the cleanup recommendations. And then you should be able to see some of these things right here. So what you can do is you can just click on them, then click on cleanup right here. So this is what we call a cache as well. So you can over and then click on them. You can also go over right here to the temporary files and then just click onto this checkbox, and then from in there just head over and then delete it.